This call is now being recorded.
Udah, yuk mulai.
Mulai. Mulai ya?
Oke, mulai.
Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 1, who consists of Muhammad Aksal Sirullah Sadiq with ID number 12070500068, and then Muhammad Fadli Naufal Ramdhani with ID number 12070500070, and then Muhammad Furqan Fadila with ID number 1207072, and then Muhammad Ibnu Firdaus with ID number 12070500075, Muhammad Rahmat ID number 120050078, Muhammad Widianto 12070500083, then Muhammad Syawal 12070500084, last one is Nafa Khairun Nisa with ID number 120705008 and 8. We are going to explain our summary career, and it start from the first speaker is Aksal Sirullah Sadiq. Time is yours.
Bukan orang dulu.
Jadi siapa yang pertama? Sorry.
Itu yang di grup.
Urang.
Fadli ya? Oke, Fadli. Time is yours. Thank you.
Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present here the hardware engineering and system analysis. Okay, the first is there hardware engineering. A hardware engineer is a position that configure various computer hardware and also design the layout of the computer device that will be used. The aim other than to increase the efficiency of the company, especially in terms of computer the company. Not only that, his job also has to research, develop, and also design and test computer or device that are related to computer. Usually related to industrial, military, commercial, to scientific computer use. Next. Waduh, belepotan. Hardware engineer duties. Compared to a software engineer, to the task of this job is quite complex, so it requires high accuracy and skill. These are some of the tasks. 1. Carry out research, design, and development related to computer and computer system for scientific, military, commercial, and industrial purpose. 2. Supervises the manufacture and installation of computer component or device related to technology and computer. Next. Maju sendiri. 3. Updating the knowledge and skill of the company so that it can compete compete is in today's technological development. The purpose of this knowledge and skill is related to the computer equipment used by the company. write functional specification that can document the process for developing hardware and support the introduction of the computer itself. 5. Collaborating with an engineering staff and also conducting consultation on computer specification in order to evaluate the hardware and software interface as well as operational requirement as well and as the overall system performance. Next. Okay, this is example of hardware engineering jobs. Yang pertama ada hardware design expert. Yang kedua ada network expert. Yang ketiga ada senior hardware expert. Ya, dan yang terakhir ada sistem integrator engineer. Okay, the next system analyst. System analysts are responsible for astagfirullahaladzim kok maju terus. Responsible for maintaining and improving computer system for an organization and its clients. This IT role is growing in popularity and demand as organization is increasingly move operation, process and communication online. System analysts are often required to work outside standard hours to offer upgrade or fix, ensuring there is minimal interruption to business as usual. A system analyst job description should highlight the need for accuracy, logic, and ability to communicate complex ideas to others. Next, system analyst duties and responsibilities of the job. Yang pertama ada maintaining and upgrading exciting system as required. Selanjutnya ada designing new computer system and framework. 3 ada troubleshooting technical issue. Yang keempat ada risk mitigation planning. Yang kelima ada collaboration with business analyst, project leads, and IT team to resolve issues and ensuring solutions are viable and consistent. Selanjutnya ada creating system guidelines and manual for the organization. Yang selanjutnya ada running training session and workshops on system process. Selanjutnya ada conducting regular reviews of system and generating reports on efficiencies and improvement areas. Selanjutnya ada structuring and prioritizing business requirement and communicating plans with stakeholder for review and approval. Next, system analyst job qualification. Balik. Bentar, sorry. Oke, selanjutnya ada system analyst job qualification and requirements. Yang pertama ada IT. Sal, kok ininya Sal? Maju terusnya Sal. Yang pertama ada IT. Yang kedua ada science or computer science. Dan yang ketiga ada business administration. Sal, ini Sal, kok maju terus Sal, gimana sih Sal?
Emang mana di mana?
Nah, laptop udah.
Kayaknya sudah teh dina
Oke.
Google Meet atau dina PowerPoint.
Ini eta tuh.
Fadli
Oke,
finish, Fadli.
sekian dari saya. Udah beres.
Thank you, Muhammad Fadli. The second speaker is Muhammad Widianto. Time is yours.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I explain about the software developer. Software developer is someone whose job is to build and create a product. Software developer do so according to the principle of software engineering design and implementation. This includes performance, maintainability, scalability, resilience, and security. Next, software developer also try it first before launching it to the public to find out whether the product is efficient and functional. They also try it first before launching it to the public to find out whether the product is efficient and functional. Typical duties and responsibilities software developer. First, modify existing software to repair defects, allow for adapting new hardware, and to improve performance. Next, develops and directs software system testing and validation procedure, programming, and documentation. Next, collaborate with system analysts or system analysts, programmers, and other workers to design system and application, and to obtain information about project limitation and capabilities, as well as project requirements. Next, analyze user requirements and software requirements to determine design feasibility. Next, design, develop, and modify software system using scientific analysis and mathematical model to predict and measure the result on and consequence of design. Software developer knowledge requirements. Yang pertama, computer and electronic. Next, engineering and technology. Next, English language. Next, mathematics. Next, software developer skill and abilities. Yang number one, solving complex problem. Next, consideration and decision making. Next, programming, system analysis, system evaluation, deductive reasoning, smoothness of ideas, inductive reasoning, sensitivity problems. Last, category flexibility.
Okay. Finish, Muhammad Widianto.
Yeah.
Okay. The third speaker is Muhammad Furqan Fadilah, who will explain about database administrator. Furqan Fadilah, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to Muhammad Zahidi for letting me to explain the material. First, I will explain database administrator. The database administrator, or DBA, is someone who is responsible for the performance, integrity, and security of the database. Database integration may include a variety of information such as financial data, census information, user account, and customer delivery records. The database administrator or a DBA must ensure that the data collected can be used by data analysts appropriately. They also have to design strategies how security they should do in order to protect existing data. Next. Okay. And then the database administrator fall into categories. First, system database administrator. In general, the scope of a database system administrator includes technical aspects of database management, including updating software and debugging code. Roughly speaking, the database system administrator is in charge of database operation, starting from installation, patching, and management. And second, application database administrator. The application database administrator is responsible for database usage activities. The job is absolutely required complicated, starting from designing data architecture, data model, to supporting the use of database processing application. Next. Okay, and there are kind of difficult business responsibilities. Uh, First, provide user need to monitor user access and security. Then, monitor behavior and manage parameters to provide fast feedback to users. The third, the design for the net database, define the physical design operating system development, install and test a new version of the VBS. Fifth, probably in logic design so that it can be translated into specific data model. Six, maintain data standard, including compliance with data protection law. Then writing a best documentation. Second, writing database documentation, including sample data, procedure, definition of the data, dictionary, or metadata, etc. Next. Okay, and there are still the abilities requirement for the database administrator need. First, have problem-solving skills and analytic skills good. Second, have skills in communication, teamwork, and negotiation. Third, familiar with major data manipulation language, as well as important things about database business. Fourth, able to work within tight deadlines and also work under pressure. Fifth, have the ability to work in a team. Sixth, flexible and easy to adapt. And lastly, master several programming language, system, and software. Next. Then next. Then IT career is network architect. Network architects take care of communication such as local area network, online, wide area network, WAN, and intranet. They play a crucial role in creating, maintaining, modifying network hardware, software, and virtualized components. Network architect have in-depth knowledge about network technological equipment. They should also have experience working with routers, switch, cabling, and other essential network hardware. Next. Then, critical duties and responsibilities. First, manage technical network solution and framework. Second, perform network troubleshooting to evaluate and diagnose common network problems. Then upgrade network hardware and software components required. 4. Design, test, and integrate network system. 5. Perform network planning, modeling, and analysis. This and 6. Install and maintain hardware such as cable, hub, router, and wireless adapter. 7. Design, implement, and manage security and countermeasure network vulnerabilities rise. Then analyze, develop, and execute software function. Then develop and deliver professional proposal and design for documentation, and then manage technology vendors. And there are some of the profile for network architect. First, information security analyst. Information security analyst are responsible for implementing security measures, safeguard, and organization, computer system, and network. The computer system analyst. Computer system analyst, also known as system architect, look into an organization computer system and create or design solution to help the organization run more efficient. Next, network and computer system administrators. Network architects are involved in the day-to-day operation of the computer system and network. Fourth, database administrators. Database administrators are responsible for using special software to organize and store important data pertaining to financial information or example. Computer and information systems, often known as IT management or project managers, are responsible for planning the computer-related activities in a company. They are involved in defining the IT goals of the company. Six, computer programmers. Computer programmers just involve writing and testing code that enable computer application and software programs to run properly. Next, computer hardware engineers. These people deal with the design, development of specific computer systems and its various components as a devices, network, processor,
Itu yang lagu-lagu itu siapa?
as software development, sure, they are developing application which people perform specific tasks on the computer. Okay, and we return to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Furqan Fadilah. The next speaker or the fourth speaker is Muhammad Aksal. Time is yours. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, JDP. Now, I will explain about web developer. A web developer or programmer is someone who takes a web design, which has been created by either a client or a design team and turns it into a website. They essentially have to take a language we understand, such, uh, such as English, and translate it into a language that a computer understands, such as Python or HTML. The following are popular languages for web development is first HTML, second SS, third Java, fourth PHP. To understand what is a web developer is, it is crucial to know that The three main stages of developers are front-end, back-end, and full-stack. First, front-end web developer. A front-end developer has one general responsibility: to ensure that website visitors can easily interact with the page. They do this through the combination of design, technology, and programming to code a website appearance, as well as taking care of the bugging. Second, back-end web developer. A back-end web developer is responsible for server-side web application, logic, and integration of the work front-end developer do. Back-end developers are usually write the web service and APIs used by front-end developers and mobile application developers. This means that they have to create the code and programs which power the website server, database, and application that it contains. Third, full-stack web developer. A full-stack web developer is a person who can develop both client and server software. In addition to mastering HTML and CSS, he or she also know how to program a browser, like using JavaScript, jQuery, Angular, or Vue. Program a server, like using PHP, ASP, Python, or Node. In the case of small websites that don't have a huge development budget, a full-stack developer will often be employed to build the entire website. In this case, it is extremely important for them to have a complete, in-depth understanding of both front and back-end development and how they work. Can finish, lady.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Aksal. The next speaker is Nafa Hoironisa, who will explain about IT support. Nafa Hoironisa, time is yours.
Thank you, Muhammad Zahiri Shawal. 7. IT support. The IT support maintains the computer networks of all types of organizations, providing technical support and ensuring the whole company runs smoothly. IT support monitors and maintains the company computer systems, installs and configures hardware and software, and solves technical issues as they arise. Because of the nature of the job, some companies may require their IT support to undertake shift work. Next. If you are hiring an IT support professional, the job description can feature installing and configuring computer hardware, software, systems, networks, printers, and scanners, monitoring and maintaining computer systems and networks, responding in a timely manner to service issues and requests, providing technical support across the company. This may be in person or over the phone, setting up accounts for new users, repairing and replacing equipment as necessary, testing new technology, possibly training junior staff. Next. Although a formal degree might not always be necessary in an IT support role, tertiary qualifications can include the following: computer science, computing engineering. There are also several qualities that IT support candidates should be expected to display: a technical, logical thought process, an ability to stick to strict deadlines, an ability to prioritize and delegate, a keen eye for detail. Next, IT support salary. It's around $50,000 to $72,000. An IT support salary is determined typically by the number of years of experience, soft and technical skills, and the scale of responsibilities in the organization. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nova. Next speaker is Muhammad Ibnu Firdaus.
Yes, thank you,
It's
JD.
yours.
The next is information security analysis. Analyze the job and information security analysis is to the anticipate, monitor, and investigate breaches to an organization, computer, or network and system. They install firewall and encryption program to defend information security from intruder and now terrorized user. They update software, check for network vulnerable, vulnerabilities, and advise senior information technology atau IT staff on how to check enhance security to the handle potential emergency. Next, strong problem solving, analytical and organization skill, and can assist in solving them. As an information security analyst, you must be technical savvy and have the ability to work with tools such as intrusion, de- dedic- detection system or IDS to monitor network for suspicion traffic. The ideal cybersecurity analysts are like the detective, keenly observant, rugged about chasing clues, and remain cool under pressure. Similar option. Information security is a large, diverse, and fast changing field. You can just relate job in the computer and information technology sector. Some of them are: first, computer programmer; next, software developer; database administration; computer network architect; computer information research scientist; network system administrator; computer support specialist; and web developer. Next, security analyst salary. The United States is the median annual salary for information security analyst in 2009, 2009, 2009 was 90,000, 700 and 700 according to the
Sorry, Ibnu.
Yeah.
Sorry, Ibnu. I think there is something wrong with your mic.
Jadi
Something's wrong with your mic.
Ibnu, maaf, itu mic-nya kekerasan.
kekerasan apa gimana?
Gimana ya? Kekerasan kayak ngerebek.
Udah jelas belum?
Iya, nggak jelas, suaranya nggak jelas.
Oh. Tes. Masih nggak jelas?
Gimana ya? Jadi suaranya
colokan mikrofonnya dari
ngerebek, suaranya ngerebek.
Halo, tes. Udah kedengeran belum?
Nah, jelas.
Oke.
Jelas. Oke. Ulang ya. The unit test is the median annual salary for information security analyst in 2019 was 730. According to the BLS, that means half the worker earned more than that, and half earned less. Experienced or senior level cybersecurity analysts can expect to earn even more. Among the best paying information security jobs are those that involve designing computer system. The median salary for this job in 2019 was $100,980 US. People who are working in administrative and support service, such as in corporate IT department, typically earn less, with a median annual income of $96,199. Next.
Oke. Thank you, Muhammad Ibnu Firdaus. The last speaker is Muhammad Rahmat Muhaimin. The time is yours.
Okay, system manager. The system manager is a person who is responsible for the sustainability of the computer system used in the company. This profession has a responsibility to ensure the backup process can run well, supervise installation, purchase software and hardware to provide ICT technology infrastructure for organizational needs. Next. Must have abilities. First, strong leadership spirit in the organization. Second, can work well together at all levels of the organization. Third, have the ability to contribute to and implement organizational strategy in the organization. The service holders are usually selected by workers who are truly technical expert and can understand business principles and management well. The obligation for the role also depends on the company hiring this position. For more details, here are the tasks they have to complete. First, evaluation user requirements and system functionality, as well as ensuring that ICT facilities can properly meet the company's needs. Second, develop, plan, and also implement an ICT financial system and get a competitive price if it is suitable, and ensure that it is also cost effective in the proposal submitted. Third, they should schedule upgrades as well as security backups of the software and hardware system used by the company. Four, reset the system and also install new systems that have been found. Fifth, ensure the system runs smoothly from ICT systems such as email, print service, and antivirus software. Six, make sure the software can be officially licensed. 7. Ensure the network is safe for next. 8. Maintain data security from external and internal problems. 9. Prepares user who rely on support and also the right advice. 10. Manage and solve crisis situations which involve a variety of technical complexities ranging from software to hardware. Remote user to use. 11. Conduct learning and training for ICT support staff, both new and professional. 12. Must always update the latest technology for the company. 13. Planning, coordinating or directing activities in the field of electronic data processing, system analysis, computer programming to other information technology to help the efficiency and effectiveness of workflows in the company. 14. Develop computer information sources, data control, and security system in the event of a disaster, including IT business continuity planning.
Okay, that's all from us. If you found some mistake, we are sorry. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kelar.